Hey guys, in today's video, we're giving you a little sneak peek of what we're having. We're going to be making a strawberry milkshake. And we're gonna be using the Vitamix Blender, my favorite. And if you've watched my previous videos, then I've told you that this is the exact same machine that is used by Starbucks and Smoothie King. So, if this is something that you want to learn more about, then
stay watching.
Do what he says. This is Donna with The Best Life, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. Alright, so in today's video, we're gonna show you how to make a strawberry milkshake using the Vitamix Blender. You wanna get started, Kaden?
Yes, please.
Alrighty. So the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna get the ice in, right?
Yes. The last one.
So that's about 10 to 12 ice cubes. The next thing we're going to do,
milk.
That's right, we're gonna have some milk. I'm going to pour 1 cup milk inside. Yummy yum. Kaden, would you like to pour in the strawberries? And we're gonna have a cup of strawberries.
Yes, please.
Good job. We're gonna put a half a cup of sugar. Yum, right?
Yeah.
You wanna help?
Yes.
Okay, let's drop that sugar in. We're gonna get it in this blender and get it all mixed up. And once again, guys, I'm using my Vitamix. I love this blender. As I mentioned before in a previous video, this is the exact machine that is used by Starbucks and Smoothie King. So it's a high quality machine. Let's get it started. Wow. Okay guys, that was only about 15 seconds. Can you believe that? 15 seconds, that's it. Let's sample it. You want to give it a try?
Yes.
How do you think it's going to taste?
Good.
Good? Why is that? Why do you think it's going to taste good?
Because it has strawberries.
I think that's a great reason. It has strawberries. So let's go ahead and let's give it a little pour. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow. And I think I have a little bit of whipped cream, just a little bit. Ooh. Was that yummy or what?
Good.
Okay. Bon appetit. You want to sample it?
Yes, please.
Come on over.
Good.
Is it good? Let me give it a try. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the best. This is the best milkshake ever. Let me tell you, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, they have nothing on this. This milkshake is yummy. Can I get some? You think I can get some? You can taste the fresh strawberries and the milk, and it's just really great. Guys, I can't stop raving about it. What do you think, Kaden? We got a thumbs up. We got a thumbs up, guys, and he can't stop. He can't stop drinking this thing. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, can I pull this away from you? And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Time, y'all.
Goodbye.